Check this out. West Virginia. Oh, this is gorgeous. And incredibly windy also. South Glady dispersed campsites. That's my truck over there. It's a puppy. Hello. That is just absolutely beautiful. Great scenery. And supposedly overnight we're supposed to get a lot of rain. Maybe even some snow here and there, but as of now the sky is clear, sun's out, it's setting, and everything's all good. I am choosing to make a smaller fire in this pit rather than here because right above it are a bunch of these dried up dead branches, and I'm not so sure about making a fire so that the sparks would just ignite those. So I'm going to move it over where it's open and smaller because it's windy. Right behind the truck we're facing a little creek. There's a couple dudes out there trying to fish. Hope they catch something substantial. But the water is absolutely clean, so pristine, untouched. This is just absolutely beautiful. West Virginia. She snuggled up in between. Oh no, you don't have to expose her completely.
Sorry. Okay.
Can I reach? Wow. Yeah, the curtains make a huge difference. And then this light. And the best idea you had was this little table. Oh, it's windy. What are you doing? Wow. Oh, it's drizzling somewhat. But it's not raining nearly as heavy as it was forecasted yesterday. I was hoping for some more pitter patter, but this is fine. It's very warm today. See some weather. Okay. This is garbage.
Yep.
Alright. She's eating. All that's left for us is to eat as well. Inching closer to the destination. Hey, sun's out.
What's your verdict?
It's clear.
Are you sure?
Yep.
100% sure?
Yep.
Last time we got stuck.
Um,
Oh, Lord.
we just need a bit of momentum, but see where the tire marks are?
Yeah?
That's actually bare gravel.
Okay.
Some bumps here. That's not too bad.
Okay.
Alright, we made it.
Oh, God.
Now we have the signs here.
That was so scary.
Yeah. The knob tower is on the left. So I'll follow this trail up. But mark this location, there's a turnaround here.
Okay, turn around
I see
here.
more snow up ahead.
Oh, gosh. I mean, if anything, let's just park the truck and walk it up.
Yeah.
It's
looks
so
like,
close now.
Looks like we might end up doing that actually.
Yeah, let's just do that.
So the black ostrich is parked there at this high of an elevation, even though it's not really a Rockies. The snow lingers for a long time. We just had a torrential downpour, had a thunderstorm, but these snow drifts, they still stay. So the safe thing to do is to just walk it, like we're doing now, especially if you have a two-wheel drive truck. Bickle knob, observation tower behind us. We've reached it. This is the parking space to which we couldn't make it because of all the snow drift. But it's over there, it's hard to see. Good girl, Tess. Tess, this way. Come on, babe. Lots of other dogs have been here. Tess, leave it. Let's go. Come on. Whoa. Oh, this is nice. Can't read the damn thing. Oh well. Here we go. That's the tower. I went up about halfway up and then I came back down because just on the other side there's a massive storm cloud just hovering over us. And at any moment now it could strike with the lightning. So we're headed back down. We got a fantastic view nonetheless. Now we are headed back to camp. Oh, that is a mess back there. We gotta organize that. Hey! So we are back at the very first campsite we stayed at. I don't think I recorded a video for that, but this is our third night stay at West Virginia, and we're back to our first campsite. We just purged our MRE packets. It says blueberry cobbler. Interesting stuff. The fire is still going. Sun set. Looks like storm's coming in slowly. The clouds are in. We're expecting a lot of rain tonight.
Show a sneak peek.
Yeah.
There she
Oh.
is.
Okay, good night.
Night.
I don't know.
It's supposed to
say-
rain at 8.
Rain at 8 and then that turns into snow, and supposedly we're expecting an upwards of 6 inches. So I guess we'll just have to find out what tomorrow brings. But
Tess has the answer. She doesn't want to get moving. She's so comfortable.
Very warm and comfy.
Well, it's morning. We need to get moving. Cafe's about to open. We gotta eat something. We got 0.9 hours left. 17% of the battery left. We might as well drain it. But sun's coming out slowly. It's a bit blue. Oh, the river is up. Look at that. Just had to clear the windshield a bit. It's freezing up again so quick. Hey, buddy. All right. Revelle Family Campground, West Virginia. Take the 33 off of Elkins, and you come to this fantastic view of the river. Normally, it's very clear, but it's been raining all night, and I think there's going to be a lot of flooding elsewhere. But yeah, Revelle Family Campground, full hookup, and you could rent your cabins, you could rent RVs. There's a ton of RVs here, but you notice not one car. That's because a lot of them are for rental. You could rent them. They have full hookups and heating, open year-round. And since it was going to be stormy last night, we thought it'd be a good idea to take advantage of their amenities. So I think that was a good decision, because if we were in backcountry like last night, we would have been fine. It's just roads, some of the trails would have been very icy. So, well, that's the end of our trip. So we're headed out of here. I'm gonna grab some breakfast and head back home to Michigan.